Hi friends, now we are going to see how to detect USB in Intel Edison automatically in links or Debian. Okay, for that I'm using Putty. I'm using serial communication port. Okay, in serial communication I have already put a video on SSH also. For booting process here we will do booting process, so I'm choosing serial communication and that I'm logging in. Okay, here actually to boot SD card. Okay, to boot SD card for Intel Edison we have to automatically mount our SD card, USB stick or anything. So for automatic mounting we have to follow some steps. We have to register that SD card address, UUID address. Defaultly we have to give this bulk blkid command. In this we will find 4 ext.4 file. Last one is our, this highlighting thing is our my SD card memory address. To mount automatically I have to note it out separately for future reference. Okay, and Intel Edison we have to put it through card reader. I'm using mini breakout, so I'm using card reader for this. After, note it down for future reference. You can read, otherwise I will provide this link to copy paste the commands. You can follow this block also. Okay, now we have to edit that nano SF step. Copy paste this command. Okay, that black color screen command. In this command we have to place our SD card address. Okay, after giving enter it will open GUI and that thing. Come to last line. Here copy paste it that memory card address UAID. In which manner they copy paste here, the same we have to follow. See this image in straight line without double quotation. UUID is equal to that numbering after the default slash memory card slash something. We can just simply copy paste the thing. Okay, if you don't find your SD card, you have to several times you have to reboot, then only you can. First time you are inserting into that card reader, you may not find your USB. Reboot it, give reboot, it automatically it will come. Mostly important thing, if you are using mini breakout and you are booting your SD card or mounting your SD card, we need sufficient power supply. Okay, otherwise your normal USB to Intel Edison power supply, it won't be sufficient to detect the card reader or to detect the USB. Okay, so please be careful on that. Just copy paste as in the block. Okay, these are the important things you have to note it down. Keep it on mind while you are doing. Copy paste it on the. Actually in links it's, I don't know, so far I'm working on this Debian. In Mutex the library have providing this links, but they stopped, I think so. then I have to do for I have to go for octa project for my project. Okay, after doing this, give Ctrl plus X and then give Y for saving, then follow this command, make PRD and give reboot. Rebooting, it will reboot. Wait for some time, don't touch your card reader or your USB and don't unplug it. This is a booting process. In serial port only you can view all this booting process. In SSH you can't find. So if you want to set up something from booting itself, you should go from serial port. Okay, here what we see, there is failed red color line. This is first time I'm booting this after placing my a card reader, so it's showing failed. Again I have to reboot. In that time I may get, mostly the people will get Intel Edison with Arduino, that big board. In that board automatically they are having a slot for memory card, so no problem. Those who are having mini breakout for Intel Edison have to suffer a lot. For while installing some packages, it show no space left on device. Still now I am searching for that memory shortage. I have tried several times to put SD card. Okay, this is for automatic mounting. Okay, after rebooting for several times, it will if you check DH hyphen H, it's showing it will show in last. Here also I'm not getting when I'm rebooting. You should use, if you are using memory card, it should be class 10, and you have to format with ext4 gparted. I have specified the link and procedure. I will provide that block link on the description box. You may refer it. Okay, and Ubi and Octo is different. In Octo it won't support apt-get update. In Octo it support only opkg install everything. For Intel Edison, if you want to do, you better you go with Octa. It's having lot of advantage. Not like advantage, it is easy, user friendly, and so many question and answer were asked to Octa only. Still Labian or Linux in Intel Edison is lagging. Let's see, we have received mounted our SDA 1 is 29. Thank you. 29 GB.